Okay, Senior Hiker 77. I didn't know where to insert this clip, but I need to take this TacoCat and put him in the background of my video, like so. That's all he wants to do, is he wants to be in your video, whether you take him on a hike or just in the background. The only rule is, whoever you pass it to, the YouTuber you pass it to, you need to identify so we can follow his journey. Now, I'm sending this and passing it on to Sweeps at Section Hiking the AT, and I'll put her link down in the description so you can click on her channel, and I'll also put her on the end screen so it'll be easy for you to just click on her channel, possibly subscribe, and she's to pass it on and let us know the YouTuber she's passed it on to. So that's it. Let me start the video that this video is about. Okay, I got another short video. I'm gonna keep it really short, but I wanted to. This is my 3FUL Lanshan 2-person tent. I had it for I bought it from AliExpress in September of 2017. So it's now September 2019, so 18. I've had it 2 years, and it's held up as far as I could tell until a few weeks ago. I was laying in my tent and happened to, night it came in, we had a full moon, and I happened to look up and I saw a little pinhole right along the ridge line. You may not be able to see it, but you can't see it, so I'm gonna shoot you up a B-roll here and let you look at it. Now, it's been out every weekend, just about every weekend for 2 years, so that's at least 100 times. And some weekends it's longer than overnight. It's like 2 or 3 nights. Also, on this Cedar Summit dry bag that I keep it in, it's a 13-liter Cedar Summit dry bag. I keep my Lanshan tent in. It's just easy to put it in. And I noticed this one, my wife patched a hole for me with her sewing machine. But I'd also noticed, and you might be able to see this one here. See right there. After it was all patched and I got to looking at it, there's another, it's not all the way through yet, but it's soon to be. See right there? Soon it's going to be all the way through. So I thought what I did was I bought this repair tape made by company Gary. I think it was $7, $6.95, something like that. I'll put it in the description if you're interested in ordering some. I ordered the roll. I ordered the roll because see, it comes in a roll like this. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these scissors and I'm gonna whack me off or cut me off a piece, I guess about the size of a quarter, and then I'm gonna cut it up into 4 pieces and trim the ends of it to make it round. Now I'm not going to reposition this camera and let me see how to cut it all out, but I have already taken care of that, and this is what it looks like, this one here. Now I made 2 because for some reason it tells me do it on one side and then do it on the other, but I'll put up the I'll insert the picture so you can see the tent and the Cedar Summit bag. I'm gonna repair both of them, and one on each side, and then I'm gonna come back and let you look at it. Okay, now that you're back, let me tell you what the hardest part was about this repair, was getting the backing, get this backing off of the tape. Thank goodness here in the shop we use these X-Acto tools for a pin. You need a pin or something to prick it and pull it off. But that was the hardest part. But anyway, it's stuck on here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've got it stuck on there. Let's see if I can get the light on it just right. But anyway, it's stuck right there. And then the one on the Cedar Summit bag. Now you can see that a little better. But I got the transparent tape. But anyway, now that's it, how to repair Silnylon tent in a dry bag from Cedar Summit. If it doesn't hold up, I'll bring you up to date on it.